KYMCO Philippines recently took select members of the motoring media on a tour inside their new assembly plant in Santa Rosa, Laguna to showcase their state-of-the-art assembly line, where production of the first batch of the much-awaited TCS version of the KRV180i was in full swing. One KRV unit is rolled out every 4 minutes to meet the demand of KYMCO dealerships nationwide. KYMCO KRV180i TCS is a compact sport recreational vehicle equipped with abundant comfort, convenience, handling, and performance. It comes with anti-lock braking system, ABS, traction control system, TCS, LED lighting, and a keyless system. It has a flat-floor RV body design that allows an optimal riding position for both spirited rides and long journeys. The suspension is tuned to suit both a single rider and when carrying a passenger. The belt drive design not only offers quiet rides, but also requires less maintenance. Moreover, KYMCO KRV180i TCS features an independent swing arm derived from the motorbike architecture of KYMCO's flagship model AK550. It not only allows a lower center of gravity and perfect weight balance to the vehicle, but also provides the highest ride quality and maximum cornering capability. Combined with the newly developed 175 cubic centimeters four-valve liquid-cooled engine that provides strong and smooth power delivery, KRV provides the exceptional sport riding experiences unseen on compact scooters. KYMCO KRV180i TCS is priced at 189,900 pesos, while the DD's version has an SRP of 168,800 pesos. You may click on the link in the info to inquire on the availability of units or to make a reservation. You may also visit KYMCO dealerships and KYMCO Lifestyle Corner stores near you.